lot of buyers really lose homes because they think all pre-qualifications are created equal, and they're not. I mean, some pre-quals, they're just conversations. If you just had a conversation and they verbally told you you are pre-qualified, I mean, you could lose that home to another offer where it's fully verified and it's actually signed by the loan officer and it's actually sent out and your realtor has it, right? Those are the two different types of pre-qualifications. I mean, the confusion really isn't the word. The confusion is, was it actually reviewed? Did they actually get the documents? Did they actually take the time to issue the full pre-qualification? If so, your realtor is ready to submit an offer right then and there if they have the actual pre-qual. If not, just, you could have that client that's very upset because they were verbally told they were pre-qualified. They love the house. The next day they're under contract. So again, not a good experience, right? So you can call it a basic or online pre-qualification, which again, it's like a wording issue. We don't really say pre-approval. We say pre-qualification, but in reality, it should be pre-approval because the pre-qual, it's more just a verbal. But if it is a true pre-qualification, it has to be signed by the loan officer and preferably also by the buyers, right? So strong pre-qualification is very different than that verbal pre-qualification because you're at that point your credit should have been pulled, income should have been reviewed, assets should have been verified, debt should have been analyzed, program should have been selected, just pretty much everything should have been ran at that point, and you're good to make an offer on a house, and you should feel comfortable knowing that if you put an offer on that house, you should be good to go. Now, again, realtors can confidently present the offer when they have this pre-qualification. So, I have a lot of clients that want realtors to take them out and spend their time away from their family, gasoline, just, going and showing homes, and you don't have a real pre-qualification. I would advise against that. I protect my realtors that I work with, and I tell my clients, look, I'm sorry, but until we actually have the real pre-qualification, we're not going to be showing you homes, or you're not going to be seeing homes. And it's very simple. If you want to go see homes, you want to be fully pre-qualified, just give me all the docs, all the necessary things that I need. And it's good for 90 days. You have 90 days to use that pre-qualification form to shop around and feel safe and confident that if you put an offer, it's going to go through. And that's what it's all about, right? That's really what it's all about. And that's what gives a client a good experience. Now, if you have a pre-qualification and it's just verbal, reach out to me. I'll make sure everything's good. If you have any questions as far as if you qualify, if you talk to somebody and they've told you that you don't qualify, again, reach out to me. If they didn't give you a plan on what you have to do exactly to qualify in a time frame, reach out to me. I'll make sure we do that. Or if I've had clients that tried the process once or twice, even went under contract and something happened, they couldn't get a home. They got very discouraged. They thought they couldn't buy anymore. Thankfully, they trusted me and we were able to get them in a home. Again, we are going to look at the ins and outs here. It's not just a one-man show at the GX4 mortgage team. We have a lot of experience together as a team, and we all collaborate here together. So just reach out to me, schedule that buyer consultation. We'll see what it takes to get you pre-qualified, whether it's now, 6 months, a year, whenever you're ready, right? The question is, are you actually verified, right? You want no verbal pre-qualification. You want to make sure you're pre-qualified completely before you start looking at homes for your realtor's sakes, right? Realtors out there, don't do that to them. Don't be trying to go see houses without an actual pre-qual. All right. And if you have any questions, again, comment, DM, send me a message. I'm here to help you. Christian Guerra, your local mortgage broker here in Arizona. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Thank you so much.